Welcome to my video today. I am sharing with you 5 recipes using stovetop stuffing mix. I love stuffing. It is one of my favorite foods for Thanksgiving, so I'm definitely looking forward to Thanksgiving coming up soon. But I love incorporating stovetop mixes into other recipes as well. So I'm going to share with you 5 really awesome, easy, delicious recipes using this stovetop mix. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new. I hope you enjoy these recipes. This recipe with stovetop stuffing mix is going to be a meatloaf, and it is really delicious. So I have the stuffing mix. I'm going to use 1 pound of ground beef, and then I'm going to use 1 pound of ground turkey. So you can do 2 pounds of ground beef if you'd like. I like to do half and half. I'm going to add in 2 eggs and 1 cup of water. I have some ketchup. I'm going to use half a cup of ketchup, and you can add more ketchup on top of this before you cook it as well. I'm going to mix up all of these ingredients, the meat and the stuffing. The stuffing is just a really great thing to add into this meatloaf. So it's all mixed together. I'm going to add it into my baking dish. You can use any kind of Pyrex. 9 by 13 is usually the best for this size because this makes a big serving. We always have leftovers of this, which I love leftovers. They are really, really good with this meatloaf. So it does really great with leftovers, which I really like that. So I'm going to bake this at 350 for an hour, and it is so good. I'm going to do a chicken casserole with my stuffing mix this time. I have 3 chicken breasts poached and diced. I have a bag of frozen veggies. I'm using broccoli and cauliflower, and I'm also going to use about a cup of frozen peas and carrots. So this is really easy. I'm going to add in half a cup of sour cream. I'm going to do a can of cream of chicken, and this is going to make a really great sauce for this one because casseroles and sauce just go hand in hand. And I'm going to use half a cup of milk. I'm going to mix this all together. You can use a whisk or a spoon, and it's going to be a really great creamy mixture. So I'm going to add this on top of the chicken and veggies, and you can use your favorite kind of veggies. I like to use these frozen veggies because they're super easy. Any kind of frozen veggie mix that you like works really well with this one, so you can customize it as you like. So adding all this sauce on top, going to give it a little spread out a little bit evenly over all the other ingredients. I'm going to make my stovetop stuffing. So I have the 1 little bag of the stovetop mix. I'm going to add in 1 cup of water, really simple. I'm going to give this a little stir, let that water soak up into this stuffing mix a little bit, and it's just really, really easy. I'm going to add this on top of my casserole, and it's such a great topping to top with a casserole with all of the delicious creaminess and the chicken and veggies. So good. I'm going to add foil on top of this. I'm going to bake it in the oven at 350 for 40 minutes, and it is really good. I just love casseroles. Huge crowd pleaser for this one. So I'm going to make some stovetop muffins. So I have my stovetop mix. I have my 1 cup of water. Really easy. Going to give this a stir, and I'm going to add in 2 eggs that will help bind this mix together to make really great muffins. This is a really awesome way to use stuffing as a side for portion control as well. So I like to use these silicone little muffin tins that just pops right out. They're non-stick and really easy. I also like to use my cookie scoop, so I make these all the same exact size. So just really easy to make these really good side dish or muffin, whichever you like, and they are super easy and super yummy with tons and tons of flavor. I just love how easy these recipes are because everything is already in that stovetop stuffing mix box. So I'm going to do a Crockpot meal. I have 2 chicken breasts. I have a bag of frozen veggies. This is just a California mix. I have a can of cream of chicken. I'm going to add in, to give this some nice sauce, I'm going to add in some garlic powder as well. You can add in salt and pepper also if you would like. I'm going to stir around this sauce and kind of coat the chicken and the veggies with this as much as I can. And the cream of chicken is just really great in casseroles and crockpot meals as well. So I'm going to add on top my my stuffing mix, and you can use stovetop, or I just sometimes use the Great Value brand from Walmart. So I'm going to make this stuffing just with 1 cup of water. I'm going to mix it together, let that water soak into the stuffing. Super easy. And I'm going to put this on top of the crock pot, on top of the chicken and the vegetables. So everything is all right here in the crock pot, and it will just cook all day and be a really awesome meal at the end of the day. I love crock pot cooking. If you've been around my channel, you know how much I love sharing my crock pot meals with you. So make sure you subscribe if you are new. This one's so great. Everything in one pot in the crock pot. I'm going to do a broccoli side dish. This is a huge hit. I like it. I have my broccoli. I have garlic powder. You can add salt and pepper also, but I like to add this cracked pepper seasoning. It's really good. I have cream of chicken to add on for a little creaminess for this broccoli. I love crockpot side dishes. It just makes things really, really easy. You just kind of dump everything in and go, and then your side dish is ready. So I have my box of stuffing that I will just mix. Once again, the stuffing with 1 cup of water, and this will be ready to add on top of the broccoli. So just a really easy, simple side dish, and adding on the stuffing makes it just a really good combination, and you can have your starch and your veggie all in one. You don't have to cook a whole bunch of different side dishes. So this is kind of a double side dish, if you will. It has the stuffing and the veggies, and it's in the crock pot, so it is super easy. I'm adding on a paper towel to catch any condensation on this one, and I'm going to cook this. You can do on high for about 2 hours or on low for about 4 hours. Comes out really great. Huge crowd pleaser for this one. I love making it. Just really super easy and yummy. So I hope that you loved these recipes using stovetop stuffing mix. They are easy, they are delicious, and I love them all. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have any questions at all, and check out some of my other videos while you're here. Hope that you have a really great day, and I will see you next time.